Oh my god, it's tickling so bad. I want to give the people what they want, you know? And a lot of you like mess, but not everyone does. Oh my god. Oh, oh, oh god. Oh, oh my god. Oh, that tickled so bad. Oh my god, this is... I don't remember when the last time was when I had such a tickly video. I mean, Jinkney always tickles, obviously inducing tickles, but this is something else. Oh, I think everything's just like super sensitive in there. Oh my god. Holy crap. Yeah, it's really sensitive. Oh, I really have to sneeze.